Hello, I want to welcome you to the MapScene's PointCloud demonstration. My name is Joel Salinas. I'll give you a little bit of my background. I'm a lieutenant with the Vallejo Police Department. I have 28 years of law enforcement experience. I'm a MapScene certified instructor. I also have a private business where I conduct forensic mapping, laser scanning, and collision reconstruction. My contact information is on the bottom of the slides here, both my email and my phone number. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions on the software, on forensic mapping, or laser scanning in general. I'm going to pause for a moment and allow you to write that information down. This demonstration is called From Scan to Courtroom. It's going to cover how to document your crash and crime scenes. I want to talk about the typical workflow once the forensic scanning is completed. You're going to need to download, register, and process your scan data using your proprietary scanner software. The next step is to crop the scan data scene, keeping only what you're going to need for the drawing. You want to clean the scan data, and that is to remove any noise, vehicular traffic, pedestrian traffic, or other noise that may have come into the scan. Export the scan data out of your software into a format that MapScene's PointCloud can use. And then use any of the necessary MapScene's PointCloud conversion utilities. Once the data is processed, the next step is to import the scan data into the MapScene's PointCloud software. You're going to need to decide whether you want to complete a 2D or a 3D diagram. From my experience, 99% of the time, we're taking a top-down 2D diagram to court for most of the crash and crime scenes. On rare occasions, we are doing some 3D work. Those are cases that involve a trajectory analysis or a complex collision reconstruction. Once your diagram is done, you want to complete any forensic analysis, again, be it a trajectory analysis, crash reconstruction. If you're going to need to complete an animation, you want to do it at this point. Prepare your court presentation. I want to stress that you need to preserve your data per your departmental policy. We're talking about some large data files here that are going to be 10 gigabytes or greater. They no longer fit onto a DVD. You're going to have to determine how best to store the data in your department. And keep in mind that if you fail to preserve that data and cannot provide it for the defense, that could affect the admissibility of your case, any analysis based on your diagram, in court.